And for the few advisors out there that still aren't running a full stack of value adds, before you jump to that, the step is surge, right? Because one of
Yes.
the biggest things that we hear from advisors is, I don't have time to run value adds, which is why there's an order of operations here. Surge comes first because surge creates the time to run really high-end value adds. And trying to do hodgepodge client meetings with a big, value add cycle, it's just hard, right? Make your life a little bit easier, implement surge meetings, then we implement value adds, then we kind of move on to the next steps.
Dude, Mike, I love this. It's funny you brought this up because I'm working right now on one of our new member journeys, which is time management. Like everybody wants more prospecting, everybody wants more whatever, but our very first member journey is time management. And it went exactly, you spelled it out in reverse, right? But it goes exactly the way. What's your morning success ritual? What are your daily routines? What's your weekly routines? What's your surge cycle?
Yep.
Then value adds,
Yep.
then
Yep.
everything else comes in behind that. It just always works that way.
It always works. It always works. Right?
That's right.
Now,
That's right.
but unfortunately, this isn't cooking. This is baking. If you do this in the wrong order, it's not going to come out very well. Right? So it's very important that you do this correctly as you're going through this. And again, another advisor I was talking to is talking about discounted fees and all this other stuff. He's like, well, I was talking to his ABC advisors at a conference. I said, great. Which one of them has a practice that you want to have? Well, none of them. Well, quit flipping listening to them.
Yeah.
Like they haven't figured it out. Like, I'm not saying you can't have a beer with them, but I sure as hell wouldn't take business advice. Just like I don't take advice from people about flying who have never flown a plane. Right? I'm not interested in that. You have no idea what it's like to fly a plane. I'm not interested. You give me somebody with 30,000 hours, man, I am all ears on the expertise. And they're going to say something like, I've never thought about that, but it's going to have a lot of weight now because they're a type of pilot that I want to be like. Right? But same thing in the business world. If these people don't have a practice that you want to emulate, that you want to do, don't listen to them.
Boy, this goes, let's pull this one step further. And again, we're tying all this back to when I doubt my fees. So when I start doubting my fees, one of the things I notice, this goes to your point that you just made, is I notice that I'm spending my time around people that are discount people. Now, this might be physical time. Like I might be having a beer with them at the conference and they're talking about discounting their fees. It might be who I'm following on social media. It might be what content I'm absorbing. But if I notice my fee coming down, it's because my world has surrounded myself with people that have a scarcity mindset. And this goes for politics, it goes for life, it goes for relationships, it goes for everything. Like if I'm surrounding myself with a scarcity mindset people, that then puts me in a scarcity mindset. As how could it not? Like we absorb everything that's around us.
It's 100%. So biggest things that we need to be focusing on, right? I'm going to get back to kind of the basics here. Morning success ritual. Now, if you don't know what that is, then make sure you go to our website. We can talk about the perfectria.com. We can talk about how in our growth program, we really break this down in detail, things you need to do, but you need a solid morning success ritual. You need a game plan laid out for the next 12 months. What are you going to do? Because when you're proactive, you don't have value concerns. When you're reactive, you have value and price concerns. So that's another warning flag that goes off. Jarvis, you're just saying it before, right? When we start having head trash about, our price, that means we're not proactive in our value. Get on your toes, get off your heels.
Totally.